Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu reports when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to perform Umrah, he dispatched a man to seek the permission of the Makkans to enter Makkah. They imposed a condition that their stay in Makkah would not be more than 3 nights, the weapon would be in the bags, and they would not call invites to Islam. Any of the Makkans, the reporter says, Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu was writing the conditions of the accord. He wrote, "These are the conditions which are decided by Muhammad, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." The infidels thereupon said, "If we had acknowledged that you were Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why would we have prevented you? And we would definitely have taken an oath of allegiance to you. So you write this. These are the conditions which Muhammad bin Abdullah has decided." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am Muhammad bin Abdullah, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam too." The reporter says, as he was not writing himself, so he said to Hazrat Ali, "Delete Rasulullah." Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will never erase it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Okay, show me these words." When he showed them to him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself wiped them off with his hand. Then he entered the city, and when 3 days had elapsed, they came to Hazrat Ali and said to him, "Ask your chief to go now." When he mentioned it to Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, we have to go now." So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam departed. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3184.